Okay.
Purple cauliflower.
What you got, Wilson?
Variety.
This is Romanesco. It's mixed between
Is this what you want?
broccoli. Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
And don't forget the carrots.
Oh, and we have a bunch of carrots.
Okay, so make it 8.
All right. Not that bad.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
What are we getting?
Sausage! Hello everyone, welcome to Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Today we are making orecchiette and sausage, but with different ingredients. First you start with giving the pan a nice spray. Then you add the garlic. And then the salt. Now it's really sizzling. That. And now. That's good.
Maybe a little more.
Okay. That's plenty. Okay, now you add salt. You know what?
Yep. You can move it over.
Alright, then you add pepper. That's enough? No, just a little more over here. That's good. Then you should stir a little bit. Just a little bit.
Think they're done?
Yep. CartWheel rich bunch meats. Fresh eel and sausage. Sausage! I love sausage! So now I'm gonna get some garlic. Oh, the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
And now I'm gonna put in some red pepper flake.
That comes out really fast. That's plenty. Oh my goodness, that's going to be spicy.
So now we're done getting the sausage prepared. Now we're going to chop up the mushrooms. Yeah, they're obviously beach mushrooms. So now I'm separating them. It's actually pretty easy. Wait, is this one big mushroom? Yeah, no, this wasn't one big mushroom. It was just two growing into each other. What is that?
Look at it.
Oh, it's a seashell. It's not actually a seashell. It's a type of noodle called a shell. So now, people, I'm gonna stir.
Remember, one hand on the handle.
I'm so gonna regret your idea of mushrooms. No matter how spicy it is, I'm gonna blame the mushroom. Well, I am, unless it was truffle. I've got broccoli. So now I'm going to add the delicious seashells. Jump! Now we mix. So now I'm going to add breadcrumbs. Mom, this one's for you. I'm gonna add a whole bunch. And now for some cheese. So I know how much you like cheese on it. And the rest, and that, you and me, also get some. And now, we're gonna serve it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.